Hello, doctor.
Hello.
I'm not feeling well. I'm in fever.
Breathe it down. What is your name?
My name is Talatya.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 3 years old.
Okay. Check your weight. I want to check your fever. Oh, you are having fever? Wait, I will give you pill. Take this pill. I want to check your heartbeat. There is no congestion in your chest. Open your mouth. Good. There is no cavity in your teeth. Daily do 2 times brush. In the morning, in the night. Any problem?
Yes.
Watch.
I got the poo here.
Okay, I will put bandage. Show me. I will put your bandage. I will give you injection.
No, I'm very scared.
No, I will give you slowly. Take this medicine and take this pill and take this cream. All will be fine.
Thank you, doctor.
Welcome. Please watch, like and subscribe our channel Baby and Joker. Bye.